Do you need a lawyer for a marijuana case? Well, if this were California, Houston, or Austin, you wouldn't even have a marijuana case. But if you are in Montgomery County, Texas, you probably do need a lawyer for your marijuana case. And I'll tell you the reasons why. First, without a lawyer, the state doesn't have to tell you if the officer has violated any of your rights, if they had a bad reason for the stop, if they had a bad search, or for some other reason they just don't want to tell you the different options you have available to you. They don't have to. The state has the option and, well, I'm sorry, the burden to do justice in every case, but that doesn't mean that they have to tell you what all your rights are. And if they want to give you a deal that's okay instead of great, then they can do that. If they want to give you a bad deal, they can do that. They don't have to tell you that there's anything better you could do. You don't have a right for them to tell you what your legal options are. And that's why you want to have a lawyer. I know most of our clients, when they are looking at a marijuana case in Montgomery County, their main goal is to get it off of their record. And that means it has to be expunged. There are a number of ways to get a case expunged, but at some point in the process, the case has to get dismissed. And did you know there are at least three different ways for a dismissal in the state of Texas? Different things they call a dismissal, but not all of them are eligible for an expunction. I'll give you a great example. Dismissal due to the completion of deferred adjudication. They will file a document that says dismissal due to completion of deferred, but that is not a dismissal for the purposes of an expunction, which is what clears all the government records off your record. So you might go down there, you might talk to a prosecutor and not understand exactly what they're saying and end up with something that's on your record forever and can never be expunged. If you did a deferred adjudication probation on a class B or higher misdemeanor marijuana case, that is on your record forever. It can never be expunged. Uh, that is really the biggest problem when we talk with people. I'll get calls from people 10 years later and they say, yeah, I had this marijuana case. It got dismissed. What can I do? Well, if it was a deferred adjudication, there's nothing we can do. We might be able to get it non-disclosed, but government can still see that. A lot of different places can still see a non-disclosed case. We have to go for something that has the full expunction. And that's what we help people with every day.